Hi everyone! Thank you so much for visiting my page and watching my message. My name is Yukari. I'm the founder of Tokyo Cooking Studio, a place where people from all over the world can come to my kitchen and learn how to make a Japanese home cooking. Over the 3 years, I have welcomed thousands of wonderful guests in my kitchen. But the recent pandemic has changed our lives in so many ways. But I'm super excited. My classes are now online. As long as you have a Wi-Fi and computer, you can join my cooking class from your kitchen to my kitchen.
Marinating with the soy sauce and meaty.
Cooking is the one bring us all together and spend meaningful moment together. I can't wait to meet you guys, my online cooking classes, and learn how to make Japanese home cooking.